Hey guys, today I want to give my best friend Sienna a surprise. Let's call her. Hi Sienna. Hello. I'm in front of your house. Please go downstairs. Waiting for you. Okay.
Hi, what are you doing here?
Here's a surprise for you.
This is for me?
Yeah?
Wow! Amazing! I really wanted this for a long time.
There you go.
Wait a minute.
2,000 years later.
I'm ready. I'll go. Bye. Well, this is really amazing. I really love it.
Hello.
Thank you. Hi.
I'm very interested about this bike. Can I have a ride?
Sure. You can press this button for a long time and its motor will be opened.
Okay.
Yeah. When the
Okay.
display show the data and you can go.
Okay.
What's your riding feelings? What do you think about it?
I think it's amazing and feeling very good.
That's all?
It's fantastic.
Okay, now I really have known it very well. This electric bicycle is the best one I've ever had. I have no words to express my exciting and anyway, this is amazing, gorgeous, and perfect. The best word in the world can using to express this electric bicycle. This display really shows many data and such as the volt left in your battery and the speed when you are riding. It can show your speed, and here you can see this PAS. It means the speed level you can have. This electric bicycle has five levels. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, when you at the 5 level, your speed is the fastest. Oh, it's mileage. It can also show your mileage. If you want to keep fit or doing some exercises, it can record the mileage you have ride. The headlight is really big and cool. And as we can see, here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here are 12 bubbles in the headlight, and it can offer you strong brightening at night. When you are riding at night, it can not only catch your fellow sides but also provide you a very safe riding experience. This is oil disc brake, which provides you with strong stopping power, even in rules or wet terrain. so it can help you stop immediately in an urgently situation. The battery is 48 volts and 13 amperes. It is Samsung battery. As we all know, Samsung is the top brand in the world, and it can offer you a long driving distance. There we go, the rear suspension. It is adjustable. This is the best design of the whole e-bike that I like. Very love it. And at this point, you can see there is one person signal shows outside. It means that at this point, it is suitable for one passenger. It will be more rigid than two persons, and you can modulate the rear suspension like this. And when the two passengers signal shows outside, it means that this rear suspension is more softer than the former one. It will maybe more suitable for two passengers. And pay attention. When you modulate the rear suspension, you need to modulate both for left one and right one. Don't forget it. I'll introduce you guys the rear hub motor. It is Bafan hub motor. As we all know, Bafan is the most top brand in the world, and this is 750 watts. Actually, in my opinion, 750 watts it can meet most of people's requirements. And a big torque can offer you enough power for uploading or start from a stop easier. This electric bicycle is really hit my heart. I love my friends and I love this electric bicycle. I think I can go anywhere with my new baby. Yeah. Bye.